All right, so here's Felipe. I'm back with another Triple video for you. And today I'm going to address one of the most useful things, at least in my humble opinion, about Triple, which is the ability of replying sometimes very complicated emails with a simple prompt. Here I have one example. Someone thought that would be nice to offer reviews in exchange for Triple codes. And you know me quite well. I hate this sort of thing. All I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to reply any kind of emails in a good fashion using Triplo. If you do try to reply this without context, you get highly generic reply. And you can try it, but I don't advise you to do that. You can say something like, suggest me an email saying no to Mark that offered reviews in exchange to Triple free licenses. So you're going to spend quite a lot of time building the prompt in your head, and you get a sort of, as I said, highly generic email. Oh, it's not bad. Dear Mark, I hope this email finds you well. I want to express my gratitude for reaching out, provide reviews in exchange for Triple free licenses. We truly value your feedback and appreciate your willingness to support our products, so blah, 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 blah. This is long and generic. It's not good. There's a better way to do that. Let me clear it here. All I'm going to do, I'm going to select the original message that I got and then bring Triplo to the screen. And of course, I'm going to use context here. And I'm going to say deny and say we don't like incentivized reviews. And then we got a particularly good example of a reply. Thank you for reaching out and expressing your admiration for the tools. We appreciate your kind words and intentions. However, we do not support or encourage incentivized reviews. We believe in the importance of unbiased and genuine opinions from users. If you have any specific questions, we are here to help. Just let us know and we can assist you. Best regards, Triplo team. This is almost perfect. I would copy this and reply this guy, but you can do even better because you can use instructions to refine this way to generate content. So I'm going to create an instruction here. So this is the casual, and this is, casual. Then what I can say, my name is Felipe. My name is Felipe. I'm the co-founder of Triple. How do I want Triple to respond? Be polite, reply simple words, short messages, and is likely casual manner. Let me activate it here. I'll copy the very same prompt. I'll activate the awareness here. So see, the tone is, and the words are slightly more simple, yeah. So, hey Mark, thanks for reaching out and expressing your admiration for our tools. We really appreciate your kind words. However, we don't typically support incentivized reviews as we believe in promoting genuine and unbiased feedback from our users. We value transparency and we want our customers to make informed decisions based on real experiences. We hope you understand our stance on this matter. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Best regards, Felipe. So it's more like Felipe would reply. Not that the other one was a bad reply, but this is more like I would do. If you use the context and instructions, I'm sure you'll be able to solve replying emails in a fast and very positive way. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't try Triplo yet, go to triple.ai/trial and do it. It's your time. Take care. Bye-bye.